me, bro. Okay, guys, what are you gonna do?
If you know,
I'm driving
do
my car.
If broken is boring, I will give you.
This girl! Nah, bro, that's my car! Come back! Hey. AJ, come! Bro, my car almost got stolen.
Go!
Run! Let's get in! I don't have a driver's license! I accidentally crashed on my car. So, let's go now, guys.
Yan, sakay na. Bibigay ko na sa ito. Pagkaano ko.
Yung ano?
Lolo, make me. No?
Bukas yung door. Wala akong susi, no?
Ikot ka na ako.
Okay, let's go na.
Auntie,
Mo! Saan ba si AJ?
wait, alam ka na. I'm gonna give it to Bob. Ayan, pupunta na ako.
Oh.
Ganda, guys. Ayun ako. Ayo. Oh, yun na. Dian, you promise when you get Robux, you gonna give me... Okay, I'm gonna send you the code. Press the pen.
I says water keep peeling. Even though the light doesn't put water, bro.
Tell you the code.
Okay.
Go to the ID. Does it work?
Yes,
Umana?
but I don't see anything. Bro, just give me money. I don't have $3 in my hand.
Do you have a Game Pass? Include Sony? Where are you, Dian? Go outside your house.
Okay, fine. Where are we gonna go now?
Remove your face first. Remove your face.
No, I don't
Remove your
want.
face. Remove your face.
No! Okay, I don't want that code anymore.
Remove your face.
Okay, I don't want that code. That looks scary.
Oh my God. Remove your
Oh
face.
my god!
Don't you want Roblox? Headless?
No, I don't want headless.
Di ba motorcycle? Ay, di, sakay ka dyan.
Okay, fine. Then I want headless.
Bro. Remove your face first. Ano tayo? Oh, you have headless now. Just like me. Just a hold.
Wait, hey, you're leaving me!
Ano? 3, 2. Wait lang, hindi pa.
I'm holding my phone.
3, 2, 1, go. Ay, saan na ba ako, Jay?
Punta muna tayo sa food mart.
Wait lang.
Ito na ako. Nasa road trip tayo.
Uy! Ay, wag ka mo. Hindi, ama na yung cellphone.
Mahuhuli tayo.
Saka dito. Dito. Wait yun. Wait. Go buy something.
Okay. This one, I mean.
Hindi lang, ayun. Dito tayo.
Okay, nakuha.
Doon tayo. Go to your home. We're gonna reach, okay?
Bro, why my card is still lining? Bro, even though I have literally 100 cash in my bank account. What the? Can I use your card, Young?
Okay, wait. I don't have premium, so I'm gonna use this one. That's useless, bro.
Bro.
Pero Jay. Go,
Okay,
Jay.
I already bought
One,
the
go.
things. Okay. Ah!
Go.
You're leaving me behind! Bro, I'm gonna...
Bro, you said... Oh, fine, I'm going to you. Ayoko na mag-race, G.
Oo na. Ay, puta di ako.
Here.
Yeah, I'll give you chips, bro. I'm hungry.
Ang gala
It's gonna be a long drive. We're going to... Let's go to the Lake Madison.
This is a big bike.
Tomorrow, let's go on a road trip.
Okay. We're going to something else. We're gonna go to the beach.
Oh, okay. I literally just want Lake Madison. Do you even have a driver's license? I don't. And I even got a car. I just bought that in the car. Okay, I didn't steal it or anything. That's why I have 100 cash now.
Let's go! I'm gonna spun.
Remember, I don't know how to swim, okay?
Oh, follow me. I use a jet ski. I'm gonna use some boat.
Speedy kill.
Pew! I already spun some boat.
Diyan kayo? Oo. Oh my God! Akala ko sa beach.
Kaya nga, beach to.
Oh, ito sa beach.
Doon lang sa pag nasa bahay ka na, hindi straight ka pa rin. O di na kayo.
Bro, I don't know how to swim. Bro, why are you... Okay, this is just a small one. I guess.
Yes.
Na ako.
Yeah.
Ay, nakalit na kayo.
Bro, it's so slippery.
Ano kayo? Ay!
I want to check.
Oh, hindi yung adik.
Oh my God!
Ay! You got
Up!
Kakita.
Get on that jet ski, bro.
Bro, I don't know. Bro, help. Like, I'm almost... Okay. Bro, why did I use... That's so slippery, okay, for me. I'm gonna buy some jet ski. A real... Okay, jet ski. Like a real okay jet ski. Bruh. Let's go.
Wala naman eh.
Bruh, imagine if it's gonna spawn here.
Okay, let's go to the other. We're gonna go.
Ito? Okay. Doon?
Oh wait, let's go. We found an island. Bro, why are you swimming? Ah, you almost crashed into me, bro. What?
Get in. Or I'm gonna drive there. Dian, look. I'm right here.
Oh.
I'm going there.
Just want to take a little bit of water.
Go in.
Bro, the
Go in.
water's so slippery.
It's not, bro.
But let's
Go.
Oh my God. Bro, give me water.
Saan kayo? Sa likod.
Likod? Yeah.
Bro, give me water. I mean, this is an island.
Ilan kayo si Sir ka? Bakit niya? Yan. Wait lang, Dian ah.
Inom muna ako tubig.
Dian, thanks for the blood lecture. I'm so happy today.
Bro, is the jet ski out of fuel?
Wait, I'm just...
Bro, it's out of fuel, bro.
It's out of fuel. Wait. It's getting energy. Oramel, I'm gonna kill you. Yan.
Are you gonna use Ayang's meat or both?
Let's go here, Dian.
Bro, I'm coming. Let's use my boat. Oh my god, I was close to drowning. Bro,
Yan.
yes? Bro, I don't have a driver's license. I'm gonna crash. Bro, you drive my boat. Can you drive my boat?
Ako nga. Wait lang. Hindi yan. Tutukan kita.
What?
Ako na lang.
Saan ka na, EJ?
Ano nga?
Hindi ko alam pa.
Yan. Follow me, Billy. Follow me. What?
I'm drowning!
Oh no! Where are you guys? Wait lang, Dian ha. Punta ka sa house ni Dian. House ni Dian. Ba't ganun? Wait, Dian. Dian. Bro, carry on to me. I'm gonna drink water for real.
No!
Wait, I'm gonna drink water. Wait, Diana.
There's a shark! OMG! Oh my god! Hang it! Bro! OMG. Are you okay?
What?
Bro, are you okay? Like, Ayam, do not try to go in the water, bro. Bro, try to drink the water. What's there for shark? Like, just look on my face.
Do you know how did I make that sound?
Yes, you go put your phone in the CR, then you got some water and... Bro, look at my face! Look at my face! Bro, like, look at my face.
Bro,
Look at my face. Just look at my face. What happened when I drowned?
no, I can't breathe. Bro,
Bro, just look at my face.
I saw your face, bro.
Bro, I don't know how to heal it.
Huh?
When I drowned, it literature was like this.
May kalap yun, Dian.
Bro, can someone...
Well, let's play other game.
Wala garden.
Naa. I want
No.
Dragon Flight so anymore.
Paano kami nabinigyan din ng Dragon Fly? Ang kaya mo ka?
Yeah. Dia, gusto niya ayaw!
Dia, akin lang yung ano mo. Dragon Fly mo. Isa lang, 1 day lang. Kami ano, baro
No, you guys are scamming me.
No. Ay, let's play join me.
No, you guys join me.
No.
It's my turn.
We're playing
Skibidi toilet daw.
Naa.
Correct.
Tower to tower. Eto.
Papa.
Ang lalaroin natin ay
Cotton candy.
Cotton Canyon. It's easy. Easy lang to.
Mega.
Yeah, easy lang yan. Bro, I'm falling down the stairs!
My name is Pandera.
I literally fell.
Wait lang.
This is easy, bro. Who thought it was hard?
No, it's easy.
Let me.
I can't even shortcut. Kaya ko mag-shortcut dito.
OMG, yeah, never mind.
It's
Don't
easy.
you... Bro, I can't jump that far.
Aren't you shaggy?
Like a bag of cookies, I'm legit. I wish there was a checkpoint.
Parang ikaw si Rin Rosa.
Hindi,
Kasi nagtatak siya.
fake Rosa.
Rin Rosa is not,
Fake Rosa.
it's nothing.
Don't you know it's much more fun to live? Gay. Oh, hi, gay.
I-delete no? Then ang skip.
Whoever moves first is gay.
Skip ano? Body. This is.
Whoever moves first in the game is gay.
Ha?
Whoever moves first is gay.
Stupid. Ne? Teka.
Okay, you're gay, Young.
Nam. Kasi sampa to this hobby. Oh.
English or Spanish?
Sikat to.
English or Spanish? English or Spanish? English or Spanish?
Spanish.
Whoever moves first is hula gay.
Ay, wait lang. I can speak,
Spanish.
yes.
Ano yun eh? Uso yun eh.
Yes.
Ate. Teka. English or Spanish?
Bro, I keep falling in the last part.
Iso pogi. O ano, pag ano?
Anak! Ano yun?
Anak.
Hindi ko... Ikaw, anak! Bata pa ako. 6 years old pa lang ako.
English or Spanish?
English.
I can do I can.
Or just to translate.
Whoever moves first is sugar high.
No. Ay,
Whoever moves first is half gay.
English or Spanish?
Spanish.
Spanish.
When se mueve primo is gay.
Baby got something, then you know. And day when you build the boat.
Anong bull?
Mexico or English?
Mexican.
Hola Spaniel. First is guy. AJ is gay.
Yeah, wait lang. Can you shut up for a minute?
Bro, we gotta defeat this in 3
Wait
minutes.
lang. Listen to this song. Do you know this?
Ice cream. Dota bate sinamine ikuku ay.
Igual tapos ako na tika. Understand guys?
Espanol, señora. Mexico or English?
Mexico.
Español is Español is
I listen to this song with
English or Spanish?
English.
Whoever moves first is gay.
Wait, I'm gonna change this up. Dian, wala credit plus donate?
No, I'm defeating this obby. Bro, I'm at the last part. Yeah, I died. Bro, who's calling me? Like, yeah.
Yeah, you're so taba.
Let's play a bait. Join me in the bait.
no.
Adi, sila tower 4.
Wait lang. Listen to this.
Yeah. Gonna see me.
Fire City. Ito, listen to this. This is the original and the next one is Freddy.
Let me raise a toast to the girl I love most in the whole world. Please don't say my name! Please don't say my name! Yeah,
Kaya
just
ko.
lang.
Rinig mo to? Rinig mo?
Chill guy!
Bro, that's it.
That's a double.
You're not playing, Young. Chill guy!
I'm a chill guy. Anything you say, just gotta be still.
I'm gonna steal all your plants and grow a garden because I have so many Robux.
Okay.
Yay! Now I'm gonna be more money than you and grow a garden. You're not chill guy. You're not chill guy.
Hindi, si Tian.
Anything you say, I'll not be mad. Guys, listen to
Don't
the
want
sound.
me because
Wait.
you will not like it. Joke lang.
Wait, I'm gonna put the sound. Guys, listen to this. Wait, I'm lagging.
Gusto nila brain merge niya, guys. Ayaw.
Listen to this, guys.
Just me, no?
Listen to this, guys.
Peter family. Ama Eagle. Diyan, let's play Ama. Peter family.
What?
Let's play Feather family.
Feather Pop?
I brought private server.
Oh. Okay. Chill guy is still here. Bro, I'm gonna slap Chill guy when I come there.
STU.
Masisira yung cellphone mo eh.
It's better family.
You can do anything.
Mama, you guys, chill guys. Yeah, the chill guys.
I am not eating. Boy. Boy. Kalbo. Shashmin is kalbo. Kalbo.
Mga tao yun.
Action.
It's still loading. I'm born. I'm born. Help! I'm born.
Where are you at?
At the nest.
Are you in the town?
No, I'm at the nest. Where's Star? I think.
Town?
Yeah.
You see an eagle?
I'm an
Walking
eagle.
around?
Flap, flap. I don't know how to fly.
Do you see an eagle flying?
No.
Where are you at? Are
I'm
you
at
on
the
the bar?
base.
No, wait, Peter. I'm gonna go there.
Why is the chill guy still here? But I saw you.
What? You saw me?
Yes. But you later disappeared.
You saw an eagle? Oh, I'm here. Come here.
Yan, nikain ko. At may natira ako. Brownie.
Josie,
Ah! Give me! Help!
I'm not kidding you. Ang liit mo sobra. Hindi kita nakakita.
This one!
Set. Pupunta tayo sa ibang nest. Hindi
Okay.
kita makita. Sobrang bulilit mo. Sobrang laki mo. Sorry, I'm lagging. Don't jump. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to the building. Then, vlog dito tayo. Doon tayo sa ihaw.
What eyes do you have? I have blue eyes. Am I different because I have blue eyes?
My eyes is yellow. Eto, andito ako kaganina eh. Diyan sa town na yan.
Oh, I want to check it out. I want to eat. Hey, the grass is covering my up.
Uy, where are you?
I fell! I'm not one big church. I mean,
Here, I'm here.
here.
Don't jump,
I
okay?
have a mouse.
Don't worry. Bro, did you eat the mouse?
Yes.
I'm out. Okay, just stay. Don't go anywhere, just stay there.
I don't know how to eat it. It's
Okay, I'm
trying to
gonna fight.
attack me. big that it's like a horse. How to eat it?
Look at your screen. You can see drop.
Where can I drop this? I want to draw.
Look at your screen. To the middle. You saw one drop?
It's so heavy.
Eat. See you eat. You wanna go somewhere?
Eat the rock.
Let's go to the. Let's go up.
I grew a little bigger. I want to go to the farm.
Where from?
In the town.
So I'm lagging. Here?
Yeah. At the farm.
This?
On the other side.
I found it. Here.
Yeah.
This is your new home. I don't have a house that I can see. Oh, this is my home.
Oh, I found the rat. Give me rat. I want to eat.
Here.
I can eat it.
I'm gonna sleep. Don't bother me. I'm just sleeping. Hey, Dian. If you
Oh,
don't
I found another rat.
Butler, get it. Alright. I'm
How
just
do
gonna
I
sleep.
grow?
I'm just gonna sleep here, okay?
Okay.
Go. Don't
Hey, I
bother me.
found Nom nom.
Okay. Look how I sleep.
Now I just go to this nest and I sleep. How to sleep?
Anna, click sit and click eyes. You can close your eyes. I'm gonna go up here, okay?
Hi.
So what?
I
I'm just gonna sit here and sleep.
made my nest. There.
Your first step.
Hi.
I'm gonna make a nest too.
Hey, look what I made. Look what I made.
Look. Wow.
Where are you?
Hey, you can't stay there. Look at food. I'm gonna make a... Yan. Maglilili ako ng eggs. Don't touch me. Yeah.
I'm gonna give you something, Dad. I give you something. Oh, it's yummy. I want to give you another.
Look. This is your little brother. This is your little brother's. Hey, the big one. Little
I
brother.
give you this.
Wow, thanks. But did you just eat it? This is your brother's.
I'm on top of the roof. Hey, I'm on top of the roof.
Hey, Anna! Go to the Anna. Look down to your Anna. Look down to your... Did you just go? Did you go?
I'm flying. Oh my
Go!
God, they're bigger than me. okay? Remember this town. This is our home.
We know that. We're
I
going
see
to
a
that
gold
town.
apple.
Why?
I can fly, don't worry.
Go to that house, okay?
I see bananas. I'm going back to our farm.
Okay. You don't need to go to 100. Okay lang.
We're faster. I have a banana.
I'm right here. I'm jumping.
Where's our farm?
Where? Bro.
I found it.
Feed it to your little brothers.
Where's
Are
it?
your brothers? Or you can just eat it. Dian, just stay to that desk. Protect your little brothers. I'm just gonna
I
get
let
food.
her eat.
Okay, I'm gonna find food, okay?
I'm gonna go to my nest.
Okay, go to your nest. I found some chicken meat. I'm
Oh
gonna
my
give it
god,
to you.
there's a rat. Oh, they're still screaming. I need to eat too.
Yan! Come here. Here's some food for you. Hey,
I made them eat rats. I have
Yan, sit here, okay?
Agib.
Dian, wag ka maglilipik sa server, ha?
Okay.
Magre-rejoin ako. Okay, promise. You-join ulit ako. Pinky promise.
Okay,
I promise.
another nest.
Okay? I'm gonna join back.
I made another nest.
Wow!
Oh, I got an egg. Look, I got an egg.
Okay. Yeah.
Huh?
What's that one? Can I borrow your dragonfly, please? Mami, yes.
No, I'm
Kasi yung, ay, ano, kasi tuloy. Kasi, ay, ano, kasi tuloy. Diyan. Look, may egg.
My egg.
I'm right here. You see an egg? Kita kita, oh. Tumatalon. Gumagalaw yung egg. I'm not even controlling it. Oh. I'm gonna hatch. I just didn't click that.
No, I will still want this.
You wanna play still?
No, join me. Just join me, don't leave.
Join me. Because make a private server. Private server, di gawa ka. Kwarto.
No, I want this.
Doon. Diyan. Diyan. Make a private server. It's only 10 Robux.
No, this one. I have my first baby.
Laro tayo up tower.
Find.
Isiyok to. Private server.
Ito yun.
Private server. Maganda. Okay lang yan. Lalaro nga to isa. Okay. Ayun, really. 100.
Chill guy. Where's chill guy? Are you still chill guy, bruh?
Yeah. Pa!
Yeah, I just wanna play Better Life.
Yan, ganibaro yung ginagawa.
Just Better Family. I just wanna play that.
My pet?
Better Family.
Really, Dian?
I just want to play Better Family.
Okay. Yan ka na yan, no?
Join me. Let's play Better Family.
Further family. Sige, wait lang. Pag ako nalaglag.
No, chill guy. No, chill guy.
Pagulog sa iyo.
Nahulog si Eya.
Naa. Oh no, I did! I'm gonna check now. Wow! Yan. I'm gonna join Diana.
I'm gonna take care of you.
Okay. I'm gonna be a... Ay, Dian. Be a chicken. Be a chicken. Miss Daddy, mosquito,
So join me.
joining you. Sabi Abi. Nasaan ka, Dian?
I don't know, where are you?
Click brain, click brain. Ay, ito ako. Egg ako. Kita kita.
What are you?
Bro,
Egg.
are you in the
How to hatch you? Oh my god, did you hatch?
Wait lang, Dian, Dian. Dian, just stay there.
What?
Stay there.
Where are you?
Diyan ka sa may ano mo. Sa may plane.
Hey, where are you?
Just stay there.
What? The music is...
The music is...
Where are you? I mean... You just join me in Feather Life. Where are you?
Bro,
At the farm?
nasaan ka ba, town? Villager?
I'm at town.
Okay. How did you come to the How did you go to the easy? Ian,
Yes?
I'm moving.
Okay, at the farm?
Yes.
Inside. Oh, wait.
Amar, what's your name? Use your name, that's me.
Okay.
Use your name. Bro, stay to
Are
the
you
farm.
hatching? How to hatch you?
Bro, how did you carry me? I'm too small. I'm too big for you. No, Jibo. The other no,
How to open you?
Oh, I can hatch myself.
Hatch.
Do you want me to hatch?
Yes. I want to take care of you. Hatch. Oh, how is so big?
Why so big? I need food.
OMG, I got an egg.
Oh, nice. Oh, I grew up.
Bro, what are you, my parent?
Yeah, and I'm gonna pick this. And don't start to jump.
Okay, look, I have my baby.
Hurry your baby.
Wait, I'm gonna... No, wait.
Hey, click here.
Bro, how to drop her?
Grab him.
Okay, you can...
And I'm gonna carry the baby.
Carry the baby. Bro, carry my baby, not me.
Look, I just okay. Look, I can carry two things.
Do not try to eat her.
It's on my beak. It's safe. So don't you wear a thing.
Okay.
Tumalong ka.
Go to the tree house.
Okay. No, there's a mouse. This is our old house.
Well, give me back my today.
Yeah, that's it.
Pick my baby up.
Baby mo. Oh, manood yun ah. Sunny video, baby. Hey, sakay ka na sa likod.
You know I can fly.
Yes! Mabilis ako! Fine, I'm leaving with your child. Ay, di pala. Jump ka pala.
Come back to the farm.
What the heck?
Bro, come back! Back to the lava. Bro, right there.
Mamaya naman, kukunti pa. I'm gonna sleep here.
Don't mess with my child. Bye.